Alright. What's up, everybody? Okay, we're gonna do some more Crossout. I built something last night that was small. It was alright. It worked pretty well. Oh shit. Okay, this is what I made last night. It is freaking hilarious. But we're not gonna be playing with this one today. We're gonna build something else. So we're gonna remove all of this. I'm gonna try to make another flying build. And I got an idea in my head, and I think it will work. Alright. Okay. I need a cabin with like the most points. That one has 23. That one has 24. Shit. What was this? Increase accuracy of all mounted weapons by 15% and increase the spread stability by 25. What's the weight on that? 8,000. What's the weight on this one? 8,500 with 24 points. I'll go with this one. Maybe. Dude, I wonder if that big ass engine can fit underneath there. Now, where is it? There it is, Pegasus. Holy shit, it does. Can just like tuck it right in. Actually, let's turn it around. Dude, now it's like legit tucked in. Okay. Holy shit, I don't think I need it that long. Okay, I think I want to kind of build like some kind of jet or something, or maybe it looks like a jet. I don't know. Because I need rockets on it. Like, I did buy a couple rockets. Well, I bought one. I already had one of these Hermes. I bought another one. And they are expensive. Well, I think they're expensive. You know what? I think that'll work. Oh yeah, that's cool. Okay, and then, let's see. I was gonna use those one wing pieces. These, I got like fucking 10 of them. So like, I could mount one there, and then like, could mount one there. See, that already looks kind of like a wing. Dude, I wonder if I can make. I could probably do the space shuttle on this now. Shoot. Damn. Too bad I couldn't have it step down one more time. Oh my gosh, I could. Maybe. If I get rid of that, get rid of that. We'll do a 4-foot frame piece. Oh, I don't know if I want to do that because I want to be able to put... Okay, no, we're not going to do that. I need to put the Thor. I usually put the Thor underneath right here on the cabin. Well, usually I always put the Thor underneath, which is the generator. Okay, there we go. Okay. What if I have that one there, that one there, and then this one like that? Would Would that be too wide? I could always fill in the gap, you know? You know what? I think I'll do it. Maybe. Okay, is that about even? Yeah, okay. There we go. It's looking like I don't even know. Probably nothing. I can only damn, I only have 12,000 pounds to work with. Well, 12,000 kg. Shit. So I probably need to go ahead and start filling it in. Ooh, we need stealth on this thing too. Dude. Okay, I kind of see it. Shit. I don't know how the front end should be. I should probably add another frame piece, maybe a couple of the 2x6s, maybe one, maybe two, or maybe three. Yeah, I think I'll do that. That looks all right. Well, I think it looks okay. What about this? Okay, I mean, I could probably work with that. I think. I don't know. Shoot. And then what should I use to fill in the gaps? You know what? This piece I should probably use underneath, maybe. Okay, let's go. Dude, wait a minute. I could probably just use more of these to fill it in. Would that be weird? Is that weird? I don't even know. Or, wait. Oh my gosh, if I can get it right. There we go, like that. Ooh, okay, maybe. You know what, we'll do it. We'll do it back here, okay. Okay. You know what? That's gonna have to work. Oh shit, that might be too long. What is that? 2x6? I don't need it to come out much further. Honestly, I could probably throw a 2x8 right there. Yeah, let's do that. Let's throw a lightweight 2x8. Lightweight 2x8. And let it all rhyme this way. Well, I thought it was funny. Okay, let's see what else we got to work with. All right, what's our weight at? Okay, we're good. Dude, right now speed is 108. Dang, that's way cool. Okay, probably use this one somewhere up here maybe? You know, that'll probably work. I have 4 of those. Let's see. Okay, I could probably... What if I scoot that forward? Can I like tuck this all the way in right there? Okay. And it doesn't look too bad. What if put that there? Okay, yeah, that kind of curves it in right there. All right. I kind of like it so far. All right, let's see if we can add some shit to it. Where'd they go? Oh, right here. Okay. Can I put these anywhere? No. I don't know. Should I do that? Maybe? Shoot. And then maybe this. I don't know. Will this fit down in there? Oh shit, it actually will. Should that be pointing like that? I don't even fucking know. Yeah, whatever. We'll do it. Who cares? Oh shit. Okay, maybe. I still don't like how the back is. Shoot, dude. Can I put this anywhere? No. Wait, what if I do that? You know, I could do that. Or... Shit, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I have these pieces. I could put these in here. Would that look better? Wait, how many of those I got? I have 4 of those, and I have 4 of these. Okay, let's take that one away. Let's put this one in there. See what we think. Nope, hate it. What about there? Nope, hate it too. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to pick something, you know? Okay. So we got that one there, and then that one all the way up there. I think that looks a little better than these. Okay, so we might do. We'll try these. I'll let them sit for a little bit and see if they grow on me. You know. This thing looks weird. Where'd it go? Shit, went past it right there. Dude, we can totally put these right here. You know what? I'm gonna put those on there. Yep, that actually looks okay. Okay, and then what about that? Oh, okay, okay. All right. That's, dude. Okay, that's a little better. It looks a little. You know what? We're going to add a piece in there. I have to use a piece of wood to keep the build really light. Actually, what's this thing? What's our weight at? Oof. How heavy is this thing? That thing's heavy as fuck. Okay, we should probably use this one then. Okay, tempting, I think. Yeah. That way? No? Yeah. Okay, I kind of like the orange piece, but it's really heavy. Or yellow piece, not orange. Sorry, people. Ooh, what's this? Kind of looks like a... Kind of looks like a vent. Okay, so I'm gonna fill in that spot up there now. Oh wait, what's these? Oh my gosh, dude, no, this would be way better up here. Hang on a minute, we gotta delete some shit. Alright, we're gonna delete that, and that, and... Dude, it's like a, yeah, it's another circle vent kind of thing. Look at that. You know what, we're gonna do that one instead, I think. I just happen to see it on there. Alright, now I gotta find the other one. Is it that? Oh yeah, it is that, okay. Dude, okay. I don't really like that now. Damn. It's really hard for me to pick shit on here. What is this? What does that do? Does that look like anything? What is this, like a bumper? I think it is. Something like that. Oh wait. Oh, it's a... Yeah. You know, that doesn't look that bad on there. So we might keep it for just a little bit. Well, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. What about the front end of this thing? What are we doing? Doing that? Oh wait, no. Okay, we're gonna get rid of those and rid of that. One of those down. Okay. I was gonna actually do the pyros on this build. If I can find them. Oh, right there. There we go. Okay, we got 3 there. Ooh, wait a minute. Okay, you know what? We're gonna see if we can't put one on the side. Oh, yeah. There we go. Okay, yeah, we're gonna get rid of those. Okay. Dude. Alright. So what we got? How much energy do these things take? 4? I need more of a pointy front end. I wonder if I got any like bumpers or something that are kind of pointy. Or if anything, I could probably use like, you know, like one of those. Oh my gosh, it looks so stupid. Okay, let's see. I'm about putting just a normal car front end on it. Vroom vroom. Alright. What's this? No. That's a no, is what that is. That is a big fucking no. What about that? That's ugly too. Damn, my eyeball is itchy. Okay, let's see here. What about that? That's not too bad, but no thank you. Again. Okay, let's see here. I wonder. Will that fit there? Yeah, it fits like that. Shit. Okay, so that means the smaller one will most likely fit there. Like this one. Should I do the 4 wide one right there? Let's see what that looks like. There we go. Okay, it's not too terrible. And I wonder if I like... Nah. What if I get the smaller one right there? Or actually, I'll put that there. Is that weird? Yeah, that's kind of weird. Okay. It's a good hiding spot down in there. Hell yeah. Okay. Dude. It almost like hides the rockets. Would they even work? Damn, dude, that is kind of cool. My spaceship looks funky. Alright, what about this piece that I just used back there? I don't like it. Alright, we need to see if we got a front bumper. Ooh, what about this? Car front end? No. Dang, dude. I really don't know. Oh my gosh. Dude, what if I leave these vents just randomly? I don't like that. Let's get rid of that. Okay. What if we put this across the top? Okay, and now we can put one of these. Okay, let's get rid of that. Let's put this down. Oh my gosh, come on. Get it in there. There we go. This thing is weird. Holy shit. Put another vent there. Alright. Can I put one on this side? Okay. Good enough for me. What's our speed at? 94 still? Okay. Dude, I want to paint it. I'm not done with it, but... What if I set those straight up? Oh, damn, that's all of them in storage? Shit. I don't have any more of them. I kind of like those back there like that. That's kind of cool. Yep, I like it. Okay. Alright, we're going to finish the front end of this thing. Let's see. What about this? Can just do like 2 of these. No, I hate that. What is this? That is a fender. What if I remove that and put this right there? I know that's a fender, but I kind of like that a little bit. Alright, let's see. What else we got? Nope. Damn, I know I'll think of something eventually. Okay. What does that do? I don't like it. I don't like it. Whoa, wait a minute. This right here is really curved. Like, look at that. Hang on a minute. Dude. I don't have anything up front protecting the front. Like, oh shit. Wait a minute. Do we have something that's 4 long? Oh, dude. What about this big ass thing? I don't know. Shoot, might have those pieces right there. And then this can go all the way to the front like that. Okay. I think it's getting somewhere. Dude. Alright, alright. Okay, it's starting to look like something. It's better than nothing. Alright, what about another one of these? Ooh, that totally blocks the whole damn thing. What's this? That's a no-go. What's this? It's a car exhaust thing. Maybe I can do the side pieces real quick. Like these. No sir, not that one. Maybe this. You know what? That's a lot better. Dude, I could probably just set something on there now, like, oh my gosh, what if we put, wait, will one of these fit up here? Dude, it kind of looks like a weird little spaceship. What's our speed at? 89? That's not too bad. Ooh, what about this? Will that fit up in there? No. Don't want to do that one. That's a no-go. Okay. About all these teeth. Okay, let's see here. I have this one. Dude, I think I'm gonna scoot those back just a smidge, because dude, I think that looks pretty cool. Yeah, I think I might be satisfied with this. Actually, here, let's remove that real quick. You know, I don't really like that much. Let's see if we got something else that can go across there. About that? Nah, that doesn't fit. Okay, what about just one of these? You know, that might work. You know what? Let's get the, oh, wait, let's see what this pipe piece looks like, if it can connect there or not. And it cannot. What about the straight one? What about the smaller one, this one? Okay, it can connect like that. Can it connect like this? Nope.
How about we do building on the outside today? I know you can't do that.
Oh wait, I was gonna check out the wood pieces. That's right. And I already passed them. Where'd it go? Right here. Can I put this piece there? Like that I can. Okay, well, we're not gonna put anything there. Okay, so, but we will put something right here. Dude, that piece is like really rounded. Dude, this thing, I don't know, I feel like it actually looks really cool. Yep. I need to do the bottom of the thing now, which is going to bring my speed down a bit more, but that's alright. Okay, let's go ahead and paint the rest of it. Boom, now it all matches. Dude. You know, that one hood would probably fit on the front of this now. Where is it? This hood right here. Wait, how wide is that? Damn. Tempting. Oh, that's hideous. We'll just leave it how I had it. I like it a lot. Okay. You know, I wish I had a fin I could stick through the middle. You know? Wait, I wonder... Let's see, left fairing bottom? There should be two of those, right? I have this. Oh shit, dude. You know what? I think that might work. Maybe. No, it feels too small, you know? Needs to be just a little bit bigger. Okay. I I think I like that, but yeah, those... That needs to be a little taller. Okay, the fuselage thing right here, we're gonna use that. It's a little taller. Well, not really taller, but I think there's another piece that goes on the top of it. Probably... Look at that. That can totally not go on there. Okay, let's see. That piece is not skinny enough. Okay. Let's not do that one. Damn. I gotta think of something, you guys. I mean, I could stack some of these on each other. Shit, I don't like that either. I might just have to go with the small one. That'll be alright. Yep. Nope, that's not big enough either. Oh, shit. Okay, well. If I could turn it right, there we go. You know, that doesn't look too bad. You know what? Let's paint it white real quick and then we'll debate about it for a second. You know what? That's probably gonna have to do. Yep, it is what it is. Alright, what do we got? 87 on speed and 60 out of 80 points. We still need to build a little bit underneath here. So we're gonna, do we have room to add the, I think we do. How many points of energy does this take? 2? This increases the reload time on all the weapons on your build. God, if I, wait. I might need to move some shit around, actually.
I'd be a bit concerned about installing a bomb in my ride. Just me? Okay then.
Okay, we're gonna move these, and then we're gonna do a, I don't know, I had to think for a minute. It's like, don't think too hard. I can smell brain smoke. Okay, there we go, and then, boom, put that piece there. How many we gotta go to hit the back part? 6, I think. Okay. Oh, wait, we gotta do a lightweight piece. We really need to... Not that one. Dude, I should probably change these pieces out to the light ones anyways. Okay, what we got? Yeah, we got 2 of those. Okay, 2x6. We'll change that one out. Okay, back 90 kilometers. That's good. Okay, you know what? We'll change the other one out too. There we go. Back one's light. Okay. Okay. Sweet. That saved quite a bit of weight. Well, not that much, but it was still good. Dude, yeah, what if I do that? Holy moly. I wonder if I could get a piece to hook on right there. Let's see. One way to find out. How much weight are we at? Okay. I think we're good. Alright, where are we at? Damn, we're at 41 minutes. I need to fucking hurry. I didn't think this build was gonna take me this long. I haven't even tested it out yet, so like... Oh my gosh, this actually kind of looks like a shuttle. It's starting to anyways. Okay, you know what? We're going to take that piece off and use wood because I really need the build to be light. I don't want to lose speed on it, you know? Can't be a rocket if it's going slow. Okay, now we're going to use some of these, maybe? Oh wait, I can't go... Shit, I can't go over those, so I gotta like put these like right here, maybe. Oh my gosh, this totally is starting to look like a spaceship, like a rocket ship. And I'm at 65 point, well 65 out of, yeah. Okay, let's see if we can slip a piece under here. Come on, you know you want to. Okay, what are we gonna do under there? We're gonna try and put one of these under there this way, like that. Do you see it? Come on, you can do it. There we go. Ooh, that filled it in nice. Alright, and then... I just gotta probably put something on the side right here, like... Oh, maybe this piece finally? Bro, you know what? That's perfect. No fucking way! Alright, and then right there, we're gonna do that one wood piece. Like this. Maybe we should turn that backwards like that.
Why is everything in the wasteland attached only by welding? Just curious.
Okay, now we need this piece? Okay, okay. Dude. Holy shit, dude. This is awesome. I didn't think I was actually gonna be able to make like a space shuttle, kinda. It kinda looks like one, like, we're just gonna say generic version of one. Okay, and then we're going to get dark chrome and paint the windows. We're gonna probably do that color. Okay. Should I just paint it solid white real quick? Might as well. There it is. Okay, now paint the windows. Dude, this totally worked. I love it. I got an idea. I have these, where are they? These right here. Those are supposed to just like be on when you turn it on. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Alright, we're gonna put an orange light on it somewhere. We're gonna put the orange light on the end of the wings on the back. I think, I don't know. Okay. Oh my gosh, I haven't even put the fucking... It's gotta be able to fly, so I gotta put probably this on it, you know? There we go. Looky there. It's amazing. Okay, that means I need to add that other thing in here somewhere. Shit. So we're gonna get rid of that, and we're gonna copy this piece. Alright, I wonder if I can just like... Can you flip this upside down? Nope. But you can put it right there like that. Now it kind of just looks like a helicopter. Yeah. I mean, that's the only way I can really get it to fly, though, is as a helicopter, so... Damn it. What if I get rid of this, and that, and that, and that? That piece. Scooch this one in a bit. Actually, a lot of it. I wonder if we can just attach to the chassis. Ooh, like way down in there. Okay, that's a little better. Dude, okay, whatever. I probably just made some like badass helicopter. Okay, but gotta be able to fly. Okay, so we're gonna paint the rest of it, and boom. I think we're done. What's our weight at? Our flight is 93. Dude, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, this front window needs to be a dark color. There we go. We'll paint that engine black. Ooh, that looks better now. Fuck yeah. What if we do the rockets black? Nah, they should probably be white. Okay. Dude. Okay, I really do like it. It looks cool. Okay, I just need to cover under here a bit. Oh yeah, and I did move everything around so that I could possibly put this on here.
Reloading is the most boring and inconvenient part of a fight, so I fully support this piece of tech.
Okay, now we just need to put something underneath here to kind of cover it up just a little bit. Alright, what are we at? 49 minutes? Shit. Okay, I better hurry. Normally I just throw one of these under here. You know? Just like that, but that shit's heavy. What else do I got? I don't think I don't have any more wood pieces that are like that long. Oh, this will work. Shoot. Ooh, that actually connects to there. All right, and then this can connect right on the end of there. You know what? That'll be good. And I don't think these pieces weigh too much. Okay, and now we're gonna put this under here. Oh hell no, that's too little. That's fucking funny. All right. wide is that? Wide enough. Alright. That's it. It's all built. It's all done. 85 kilometers an hour still. That's pretty decent. There we go. I like it. You guys like it? Oh, I didn't put an ammo crate on it somewhere. Shit. Look at that. I only got 6 fucking ammo. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to redesign the whole thing now. Okay, we're gonna put these rockets on R1. And then this is going to be down on the D-pad, I guess, for the stealth. Alright, we're gonna test it. I don't even care right now. It's a little big. Holy shit. Can't even see it on the screen fully. How fast can we go? Dude, it's flying pretty good. Okay, 3 of my guns aren't working. I think it's these 3. I might have to delete that one and that one, and we'll try it like that real quick. I know it looks weird. Okay, they're all available now. I'm probably gonna have to leave it like that just so they'll shoot. Boom. That's awesome. Dude, we're going 190? And then look at that. Go stealth. Dude. Uh, 200. I hit 200. Fuck yeah. Okay. So we're gonna leave the front like that. That'll be okay. I'm not worried about that. Dude, I really like it. What if I get rid of these? What do you think? You know, I actually kind of like them. So, yeah, we're leaving it. What are we at? 53 minutes? Okay, that's not too bad. We're gonna put some more decorations on this thing real quick, and then call it good. I need to put this exhaust piece somewhere. Could just put it there, you know? Yeah, that'll be alright. Whatever. Okay, white light. Should I put... Okay, let's see here. How many of those do I have? Just those 2? Okay. Dude, I just have like 2 of everything. Now I got this red one. Where should I put the red one at? Up towards the front? Up at the top? Oh, part limit exceeded. Damn it. Okay. Well, let's see what it looks like with the orange and the white light. Maybe they should be red lights. How about we put the orange ones up there? And we'll throw the red ones back here. It'll be like across the whole wing. Where are we at? 80 pieces? Shit. Meant to do that. Flying upside down. Oh my gosh. Well, let's go test it. Shit. Here we go. This is probably the only battle I do because we're almost at an hour, so yeah. Okay, so this is kind of cool. Made like a jet, airplane, helicopter thing, whatever. Oh shit, I never put an ammo crate on. I'm supposed to put one on here. Dang it. That's alright. I'll have to delete something on the build to... Oh yeah. If you guys have never flown on here before, you can actually like... Look at this. You can actually roll. I'm trying to like avoid everyone, kind of just hang back. Get him. Oh, it missed. Damn. Okay. Boom. That was a good one. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh, damn. Somebody got it right before I did. That's okay. Dude. It does... I think it did really good. I could actually fly it. Okay, I guess. Oh, shit, dude. I am excited about this one. Alright. This is a badass helicopter jet thing. And it's very quick, too. Alright, shoot. Well, I will see you guys later. That was a really fun build. Feel free to copy it, whatever. I keep thinking about when I build these, I could do time lapse and stuff during it, but I mean, literally, I just like to do it in normal time because it just only takes about an hour to do any kind of build, really. So, and yeah, I don't know, just like the normal time mode. But I'll see you guys later.